Once again, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this practical short video, I will guide you for the beam steel reinforcement, which is floor beam, guys, you can see, which is designed under the slab. The span between two columns is here, guys, you can see this is column. From this column center line to that column center line, the span is 30 feet. Guys, you can see this is the other column. So from that center line of the column to that column, the span is 30 feet. I will guide you for its size, inside steel reinforcement, grade of concrete, grade of steel, grade of concrete, stirrup size, its spacing, bottom bar steel reinforcement, top bar steel reinforcement, D/3 steel reinforcement, hooks details, lapping length. Also they did some big mistakes in this floor beam, so let me show you. As we discussed in many videos, guys, that first of all, let me tell you the size. The size is 15 by 24 inches. This beam size is, depth is 24 inches, width is 15 inches. Guys, you can see the first stirrup should be placed with the distance of minimum 2 inches. They placed at the distance of about 3 to 4 inches. So this is one of the big mistake. It should be placed minimum at the distance of 2 inches. Okay. Next, the stirrup dia is 10 millimeter. It's okay. Other spacing is 4 inches at the distance of L/3, because the span is here, the span is 30 feet. So therefore at the distance of L/3, L/3 means at the distance of 10 feet, guys, you can see the spacing is guys, you can see, which is 4 inches. If you see, guys, they did one of the big mistake in this construction, which is for lapping length. So the lapping is not allowed at the distance of L/3 or L/4. Okay. But if you require to provide the lapping length to extend the steel length for the floor beam or for the slab, so here at the distance of L/3 or L/4 we should not provide, where we have more chances of cracks. But you are able to provide at the distance of L/2, where is 15 feet. So guys, this is the place to provide the lapping, at upper portion, not at the bottom portion. Here we have positive bending moment at the bottom. Okay, guys, you can see they provided 2 steel rods lapping, which is about you can say about 1.25 meter. Guys, you can see they provided lapping. Okay, so the lapping is not allowed at the distance of L/3 or L/4, but it is allowed at upper portion, which is called compression zone, at the distance of L/2. It means the span is 30 feet, so at the distance of 30 feet, at the distance of 15 feet, you are allowed to provide. But you are not allowed to provide the lapping at the bottom portion at the distance of L/2, because there we have positive bending moment, where we have more chances of tension, so it makes more problems. Okay, so guys, you can see in this practical video, I am showing you that we have 3 steel rods at upper portion for this 30 feet span, and 4 steel rods at the bottom portion. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars we have at the bottom portion. Look here, guys, we have 4 bars, and again, guys, you can see we have 4 bars. Okay, you can see, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars we have more at the distance of, or at the height of this beam. At the depth is 24 inches, so at the distance of 6 inches, guys, you can see we provided already. Look here, guys, and at the top portion we have 3 bars. So total here we have, guys, 11 bars. The dia is 20 millimeter for each steel reinforcement, longitudinal bars. Guys, you can see the spacing is 4 inches at the distance of L/3. Guys, you can see clearly hooks are bent on 90 degree. So this is also one of the big mistake. It should be provided on 135 degree. Look here, and the hooks should be provided alternately. They already did. It's okay. And the hook length should not be less than 3 inches. So it's okay. The length is okay, but it should be provided on 135 degree. They did on 90 degree. Okay, guys, you can see. Look here. So this is the long section of this floor beam construction, which is 30 feet span. This is the other beam, which is 24 feet. Guys, you can see this is the other beam. Here the design is same for both, because the size of column is 24 by 24 inches. Look here, guys, we have 12 numbers of steel rods. Longitudinal bars dia is 25 millimeter. That is the other beam. Let me show you the other beam. The span is same, which is 30 feet. Look at here, guys. We have 11 longitudinal bars. The dia is 20 millimeter. This is the other beam, which is 24 feet span. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.